recording. Now moving on to question number 20. Let us solve it here. Solution. Question says let relation. Okay, a relation R is defined from set. Okay, a relation R is defined from set containing 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 6, 7, 10. So set A we will take as this is our first set, this is our second set. Okay, so first set is having 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second set B has the element 3, 6, 7, 10. Okay, then what they want us to find. Okay, X is related to B. See, be careful. What we write now, A comma B belongs to R. The other way of saying this one is A is related to B. Both are same. If and only, nothing but both are same. And if A comma B does not belong to R, this we are going to write as A not related. One slash we are going to write over R not related to B. Okay, remember this point. Should not happen that they give in this form the way they have given and you are confused what it stands for. In place of writing X comma Y belongs to R, they are saying X is related to Y. Similar, this is A is not related to B, nothing but A comma B does not belong to R. Okay, now the condition, if and only the condition is they are going to have a relation here that X is relatively prime to Y, then the domain of R is relatively prime. Prime number, we know any number which is not divisible by any number which is, I repeat, prime number are those any number which is divisible by 1 and itself. No other number should divide that and it should be more than 1. What do you mean relatively prime? If I have two numbers, that number should not divide the other. Nothing but when I say relatively prime, easy way to calculate relatively prime, since the number should not divide each other, so the GCD or HCF of those two numbers should be 1. For example, 3 and 7. 3 and 7 cannot divide each other, so hence the HCF of those two numbers are what? 1. So what we will do in place of going with this, we'll just find the HCF of this. So just see. So sets are here and it is from A to B, A to B. Be careful, okay? It's from first set to second set. This I have taken as set A and this we have taken as set B, A to B. So R will be 1 by 1, 2. 2 and 3, GCD of 2 and 3 or HCF. HCF or GCD both are same, okay? Highest common factor. HCF of 2 and 3 is 1. Therefore, 2 comma 3 are relatively prime. Fix 2 and compare with all. 2 and 6. 6 is divided by 2 and GCD or HCF of 2 and 6 is 2. Okay, common factor is 2 there. So it's not relatively prime. 2 and 7, yes, they are relatively prime because HCF is 1. 2 and 10, HCF will be 2. I mean to say HCF will be 2. Then 3 and 3, HCF will be what? 3 itself. 3 and 6, HCF will be 3 itself, which is not equal to 1. Out. 3 and 7, HCF is 1. So I can take. 3 and 10, HCF is again 1. So I can take. HCF of 4 and 3 is 1. So I can take. HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. So I can't take. HCF of 4 and 7 is 1. So I can take 4 and 10. HCF will be 2. Let us try to understand, make you understand how to find HCF. For example, HCF of, I want to know the HCF of 4 and 10. I have a doubt how many of you remember to find HCF. See 4 expressed in the prime numbers. So it is 2 into 2 into 1. What about 10? 10 is 2 into 5 into 1. So what's the common here? 2. And what's the common here? 1. 2 into 1 is 2. That's what HCF is 2. Similarly, when I talk about HCF of 3 and 7. See, 3 is same as 3 into 1. 7 is 7 into 1. The common is not only 1. So the HCF between them is what? 1. HCF between, write it here. 7 is same as 7 into 1. So common is 1. So HCF between 3 and 7 is 1. The 3 and 7 is what? 1. I hope this point is clear. So with 4 and 10, if you do, 4 is same as 2 into 2. 10 is what? 2 into 5. So common is what? 2. Therefore, it's not equal to 1. 5 and 3. Even though we got the answer, I'm just listing out all. 5 and 6 HCF will be 1. 5 and 7 HCF will be again 1. 5 and 10 HCF will be 2. So just see, is it correctly 10? 2 3 2 6 2 7, okay, 3 7 3 10 4 3, okay, 4 7, just I'm cross checking once again, 5 3 5 7 5 6. Yes, they want what? Domain. Don't forget domain in any ordered pair. Always the first element will give us domain. Second element will give us range. They want domain. So see the elements. Therefore, the domain will be containing 2, then 3, then 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Domain they ask 2, 3, 4, 5. Why it is not there? Have I copied the question wrong? Yeah, I have copied the question wrong. So here this was actually 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Like this in exam you don't change. Okay. Let us suppose the question came like this and now options are not there, then you get grace. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Option D. Option D is correct. So kindly make a note. Now we start with second PUC relations. Okay.